Hi guys! This is Dave and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, maraming salamat as we already reached the first 100 subscribers mark here in YouTube. As a simple way of saying thank you, I will be giving away our product for today. Stay tuned until the end of this video for the complete mechanics. We are still under a global pandemic, so please stay at home as much as possible. This situation made so much changes in our lives, like the modular and online learning for school, and the work from home setup for most of the employees under some sectors. Most of us are using a wired or wireless mouse, but are you using a good one? For today's video, we will review this Mi Dual Mode Wireless Mouse Silent Edition from Xiaomi for 699 pesos, which I think is an underrated product until you see its extra features.
Let's start unboxing. Inside its packaging, you will get the Mi Dual Mode Wireless Mouse Silent Edition, its 2.4 GHz USB receiver, a user guide and some paperwork. So this is how the bottom of the mouse looks like. There is a circular cover for the two AAA batteries which power the mouse. Also, you have a built-in slot for the USB receiver, a photoelectric sensor, lastly, a power button at the top. For its features, it uses a dual mode connection via USB receiver and Bluetooth. It uses Bluetooth Low Energy 4.2. It has a silent operation, and it has 1300 dots per inch. To start using this, turn on your wireless mouse. The green light represents USB mode, while blue light is for Bluetooth mode. For the USB mode, I connected the USB receiver to my MacBook Pro using an adapter. For the Bluetooth mode, go to settings of your device, then Bluetooth. Using your wireless mouse, go to Bluetooth mode, then press and hold the connection mode button for 3 seconds until it switches to pairing mode. Using your device, connect to Mi Silent Mouse. It's now connected. To switch between modes, just press the connection mode button and wait for 1 second before using your mouse in another mode. By the way, I am using the black version of this wireless mouse. This has more silent clicks compared to the traditional ones.
And that's it for my review of this Mi Dual Mode Wireless Mouse Silent Edition. For comments and suggestions for future videos, please leave them all at the comment section below. For the giveaways mechanics, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share any of my YouTube videos in Facebook using the hashtag JohnDaveMuñozMiMouse and make sure it is in public, and kindly comment the same hashtag on this YouTube video where I will pick the lucky winner and announce it on my next upload. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified on my next uploads. Thank you and stay safe. Bye!